Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. We're gonna jump straight into this video. We're gonna be doing some ways to protect your hair and to keep your hair stretched out and to make sure your hair doesn't shrink during the night. Pretty much what are the basic things you need to do to your hair before you go to sleep, and the different types of ways you can put your hair away while you sleep. So I like to begin at the end of the day by obviously dampening your hair. It's a lot easier to work with dampening your hair than it is to work with dry hair. I like to start by obviously using my Sheer Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I've noticed that it works better if you mix it with water and then you sort of apply it to your hair rather than applying it straight, because I noticed there was a bit of a white residue when I just applied it, but this method seems to be working really well with my hair. So this is just a typical flat twist. Really easy, really quick. I like to do 2 or 3 depending on what I have time for, and I'll usually do this after I have come from an event or if I'm really tired after work or after uni and stuff. It's really easy. Just make sure your hair won't sort of shrink overnight, and it makes sure that it's out of the way and it's easy to maintain. You won't have any curl definition when you take it out, but at least your hair won't be shrunk and it won't have any knots or anything like that. The second method takes a little bit more time, but you end up having some nice curl definition, just a little bit. It's not amazing, but it's just your braid or your cornrow, just a pretty basic cornrow. As you can see, I don't really care too much about making it neat or perfect. That's not what matters. What matters is that your hair is protected. So I like to do these 2 sort of methods, and also not forgetting to take care of your ends so that your ends are not dry. If your ends aren't dry, then that means that you won't get single strand knots or just knots in general. Then we'll go to the stuff that's a little bit more difficult, takes a little bit more time. These are 3 methods that I like to use depending. So you have your 2-strand twists, just pretty basic. This won't stretch your hair out as much as a braid will, but it gives you some nice definition and it's quite easy and light to maintain, and it doesn't take too long as well. Then we have the second sort of method of this type, which is the flat twist. And I do this when I want my afro to sort of look and lay in a certain way. This isn't my best flat twist. It's a bit jagged, but you get the point. This will allow you to sort of already pre-plan what type of hairstyle you want to have. So where you want your hair to lay, so that there's more definition. You don't have to comb your hair out as much or anything like that. Then we have the third method, which is my favorite, which is a braid out, or which is a braid. This takes a lot of time and it's a bit tedious, but I love the results. It stretches your hair out and the curl definition is really nice, especially if you finger detangle or finger comb rather than using the comb. Obviously seal your ends, and then you can twist this into a bantu knot. This is my go-to, my regular thing, what I like to do when I have time. If you really crunched on time, you can do this method. I do this sometimes during exams or when I'm just tired, is you can sort of wrap your hair around your head It's pretty basic and it really doesn't help much or anything, but it just means that your hair is taken care of. So I'm going to take this down so I can start doing my bantu knots. Someone asked me if I could show how I do my bantu knots. So here I am showing you how I do my bantu knots. As I said before, bantu knots are my go-to. I prefer to do this. I do this pretty much every single day when I have the time and when I really want to get my afro to flourish and my puff to flourish and have really good length. This is what I like to do. So I just like to do a normal sort of braid, quite tight. Obviously not tight at the hairline, but tight as in you're pulling your hair so that it stretches out. Then I like to do a bantu knot. You sort of hold at the base and then you wrap it around your finger, and then once you get to the end you tuck it under itself, and it should hold. It doesn't always hold. If you have shorter hair, it will be a little bit more difficult to sort of allow it to hold, but you'll get there at some point. So pretty much I do this throughout all my hair. I will probably section it to probably either 8 or 10 bantu knots. That should be enough. So that's pretty much it. And then I like to moisturize my scalp. I like to moisturize my scalp with an oil, either coconut oil, right now I'm using jojoba oil. Then obviously I like to go in with Jamaican black castor oil for my scalp, for my edges, so that my edges can I hope you guys like the video. Stay tuned, I have something exciting for you. Hi guys, I just came here for a quick second to say thank you so much to all my subscribers. Congratulations guys, we reached 10k. It is not just me, it is us. We reached 10k and what a milestone it is. I did not expect to reach that milestone so quickly, and it's really because of all of you. As discussed in my previous videos, I will be doing a giveaway, and all the giveaway information will be in the description box, and I'll be picking a winner. The countdown will be on the website. Everything is there for you. What we've decided on is that we will be giving away a box of my favorite things, from hair care, skincare, snacks, the likes. So if you want a chance to win and you have been enjoying my videos and you want to continue on the journey, make sure to like, subscribe and go and join in the giveaway. You might have a chance to win. All the giveaway terms and conditions will be on the description, the link there. There's a website, a second party website that I'll be using, so you just go onto that and you enter, and that will randomly pick a winner for me. Don't forget to be following me on my Instagram and to be subscribed to my channel. If I could give away to every single one of you, I would love to, but I'm just not at that place in my life yet. Maybe one day I'll be able to, but at the moment what I can do is just bless one of you to say thank you to all of you. Thank you for being there, thank you for supporting me, and thank you for showing me love. I will see you guys next video. I love you guys so much.